Okay, today is Earth Day and we're speaking with Kristen Warren, who is here with Friends of Hens.
We have eggs hatching today, which is very exciting. These have just started to hatch. They have made a little dent in the shell, and then they will use their egg tooth, which is a little part of their beak that's sharp, to make a hole in the egg, and they make a little bit of a bigger hole. This one's resting, and this one is resting, but it takes about 12 hours for them to go from this initial dent, which is a pip, to actually exiting the shell. What they do is they go around the weakest part of the shell, which is the outside here. This part, it's very strong. The shape of the egg is very strong this way. So they know somehow to make their pip in the air cell. The air cell is at the top of the egg. This is a duck egg. So the air cell is up here. They know to make their pip, take a breath, and then unzip it.
And you were saying how strong the egg is, and it's almost impossible to break if it.
Yeah, I would demonstrate, but I'd hate to be wrong and break it.
And then this little guy here, is that a? Can't tell if it's a male or a female.
Oh no, they're going to be half male, half female. But he's exhausted. Yeah, he's healthy, but he's exhausted. I timed these so that they would hatch today, but I did put them in there in like 3 groupings, just in case I was off just a little. These guys hatched overnight last night, so they're like that one just hatched, but I know this gray one hatched last night during the night. And so they're a little bit more lively, they're dry, they're strong, and they actually don't need food or water for 2 or 3 days, because before they hatch they consume the yolk that's still in the egg, and that gives them enough sustenance for 2 or 3 days, because the mother hen, if she's sitting on them, she sometimes waits for all the eggs to hatch before she gets up. So they have to be able to stay underneath of her for 2 or 3 days.
I see.
And that's why you can order the chicks from a catalog, and they can put them through the mail for 2 days. And then they come to you in about 2 days.
Well, that's
they don't
great.
need food or water. And we have here a turkey.
That's a turkey?
This is a turkey. He's a slate blue turkey. And a duckling. The duckling's about 2 weeks old, 2 or 3 weeks old.
Well, what do you think of that?
And the little hen.
How cool is that?
I know it's cool.
The little hen that's here is about 5 years old.
Now what is that? Is that a chicken? What is that?
This is a bantam. It's going to be small like the little hen.
Oh, okay.
What's wrong with her?
Thank you, Kristen.
Thank you.